Virginia P. Guanzon. To our distinguished guests, to our wonderful dedicated teacher, to our beloved parents, co-completers, and friends. Ladies and gentlemen, a pleasant morning to all of you. In behalf of kindergarten completers, in this academic year 2023-2024, I would like to thank you all for coming here today to celebrate our memorable event. It feels like just yesterday. We were learning our ABCs, and now here we are, ready to take on the big world of elementary school.
Wait lang. Ang mata mo dapat pantay. Hindi yung parang nakadako ka, parang nakatangad ka. Pantay lang, pantay. Huwag ka, hindi ka magiling sa camera. Maglagpas sa tao ka magiling. Magtingin ka doon sa may papaya. Hindi yung sige. Number, okay na. Susunod. Ano sunod?
Thank you to our amazing teachers who have taught us so much more than just numbers and colors. Thank you for your patient kindness and for always making learning fun. We can't have done it without you. To all moms and dads out there, thank you for your endless love and support. To my mommy and daddy, thank you for always giving me inspiration. To my fellow graduates, I am so proud of all of us. We have made so many memories together. We will always have this special moment to look back on as we get ready to say goodbye to kindergarten and hello to first grade. Let's remember to always be kind, to always try our best and never stop dreaming big. Because who knows, maybe one day we'll change the world. Congratulations, class of 2024. There is no one to praise more than God. We did it.
Yung mata ba ha? Yung mata. Yung lang. Yung mata. Yan, ayos lang. Yung
nagbaw na ako.
Tingin ka sa lagpas sa ulo ko. Medyo baba pa. Sige, practice muna tayo ha.